Hello viewers, welcome back. So in the last couple of sessions, we learned and understood the feature of exporting the reports and registers of Tally data to third-party application. In this session, we will learn yet another very useful feature of exporting your data, that is the masters and the vouchers from one Tally company to another Tally company. Then you can have various use cases for this, where once we understand the feature of exporting the masters and vouchers, we will also discuss about the benefit and the use cases of utilizing this feature of Tally. Let us go to Tally and explore this wonderful feature of exporting your masters and vouchers from one Tally company to another Tally company. Let us take a use case to export the masters from one company to another company. We have this company potential solutions where the data is entered till 6th of December, and I have already created a new company. Let's say that this is the group company or sister company where most of the masters of this first company, which is potential solutions, will be required for the new company. So normally what we do is we go and create all the masters again, which you have to repeat it. Instead of that, we are going to use this export of master through XML feature. Let us quickly see the statistics of this company. We go to chart of account, enter, select ledger, and if you notice here, there are 30 groups and 63 ledgers in this company. Let's see the stock item. So you go to other masters, come down, select stock items, and we are seeing 13 stock groups and 36 stock items. These masters we are going to now export from potential solution company and import it into new company. Let's go to statistics and view the detail. So I'm going to press go to and type statistics, enter, and you will notice here there are 51 vouchers entered and 2 vouchers have been cancelled. So we saw this, there are 30 groups, 63 ledgers, 13 stock groups, then stock category, there are 9 categories, stock item 36, and this is the statistics of the master. So first we will export the master into the new company. So how do we do this? You can come to gateway of Tally, click on export and select masters, enter. Now here we have to go to the configuration and then configure what are the types of masters that we want to export. So we come to configure. The type of master here is ledger. When you press enter, you have the option of exporting any of these masters. So let us say that we want to export all the masters. So I click all master, and then you have include dependent master. So this is used when you are trying to import the vouchers into the company. So we can make this as yes, then export closing balance as opening balance. In this case we are going to leave it as no. And when will you make this as yes? Let's assume that you have created a new company for the new financial year, and now instead of recreating the masters, you can export the masters of the previous year company's data. In that case, you are going to say export closing balance as opening balance. When you make this as yes, Tally is going to take the closing balance and import it as opening balance in the new company of the new financial year of the same company. So we are going to leave this as no. Important thing, the file format is to be in XML. It is going to be exported to local drive. This is the folder where it is going to get exported, and the name of the file is master.xml, right? So you can just press escape and then you can say send. Now the master is getting exported. Once the master gets exported, Tally will open the folder and it will show the name of the file. So it is opened the folder, and this is the file where your masters are exported. So let's just minimize this, and now we go to Tally. Select the company by clicking on new company. Now new company is become the active company. So this is where we are going to import the master. So come here, click on import and select master, and now it is going to ask you the file path. So you can specify the path or you can select from drive. So you say D colon export is the folder, and Tally now displays the file under this folder. So we are going to select this file, and here again you have three options: combine opening balances, ignore duplicate, or modify with new data. Now this again is used for you when you are importing your previous year masters to the current year new company that you have created. So when you say combine opening balances, whatever is the opening balance already being imported, subsequently when you are importing the masters, then you can use this option to combine the opening balance. So ignore duplicate, again you would have imported masters in the first instance. For some reason you want to re-import the masters in the new company for the new financial year. So in that case you can use this option called ignore duplicate, so that all the duplicate masters will be ignored when it is importing. The third one is modify with new data. You have initially imported your masters into the new financial year, your auditing has taken place and your closing balances have changed. So now when you are importing the master, you can specify this option of modify with new data. So Tally is going to ignore all the opening balance which you have already imported, and it is going to replace with the current closing balance of this master. So we select. Let us now check the statistics to see if the masters have been imported. So again, click on go to type statistics, enter. Then in the new company, we are now seeing all the masters have been imported. So let's compare with the potential solution company with the new company. So how do we compare the statistics? On the right hand side button bar, you have this new column. Click on new column and select potential solution in the new column and accept the date, and now you will see that exactly all the masters from the potential solution company has been imported into the new company. Let us now quickly see how we can import the vouchers. Select the company from which you would want to export the vouchers. Potential solutions, the vouchers from this company we are going to export and import into the new company. So we saw already that there are 51 vouchers in this company starting from 1st of April to 6th of December. So all these vouchers we will now export and import into the new company. So click on export, and then now you say transactions. So let's come to the configuration, and here we want all vouchers, okay, include dependent master. So we make this as S just in case if there are any masters. We have already imported the master, but better we make this as yes so that your vouchers gets imported. Period is very important. Now here the period, it says 1st of April to 30th of April. So you can decide which period vouchers you want to export and import. So we will say 1st of April to December. So the file format is XML. So the file name now is transaction.xml. So let's escape, and you will see the options that you have set here. All vouchers include dependent master and the period. So click on send. Tally is now exporting the vouchers. Once all the vouchers are exported, Tally is going to again open the folder and display the file name, which is transaction.xml. So you will notice here the transactions file is already exported. So now we have to import these transactions or vouchers into the new company. So how do we do that? Minimize this and make sure the new company is the active company. There are no vouchers entered. So now we are going to import. Click on import and say you want to import transactions. So you will again see the transaction file here. All you need to do is just select the file transaction, and Tally is now importing all the transactions. It is already imported. Let us go to statistics and see whether all the vouchers have been imported. So I'm going to press DSS is the keyboard shortcut, and you will see here the new company has all the 51 vouchers and including 2 cancelled vouchers. So let's quickly compare. So we go to new column, and here you select potential solutions and accept the date, and we will see here the new company has 51 vouchers and this company also has 51 vouchers. This option of XML export and import will be very handy in the use cases that we had discussed, which you can quickly export and import the masters into another Tally company. I hope this option would immensely help you in avoiding repetition of creation of masters, especially when you have a group company where majority of the masters are of similar in nature. So we saw how we can export the master from one Tally company to another Tally company. The option of exporting voucher also can be used in case where you have a HO and branch, where if you want to import the vouchers of the branch into the HO company, you can use this feature and import the voucher. Nevertheless, Tally has yet another technical feature of data synchronization, which Tally will automatically sync the data between multiple companies. You can use this option wherever it is necessary. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session with yet another option of data management. Thank you very much.